नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम ट्रायंगल चैप्टर में जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थ्योरम्स हैं उन पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं। पाइथागोरस थ्योरम्स एंड एरिया रिलेटेड टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल थ्योरम। तो आइए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए। Now another most important theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So this is the statement. According to the statement, this is in a right triangle. Triangle is defined right angle triangle only. Then the square of hypotenuse is just equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So let us enjoy the proof of this theorem. According to the statement of Pythagoras theorem, in a right triangle, it means a right triangle ABC we will take as ABC is given. The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So this question always asked in examination as state and prove the Pythagoras theorem. So you will learn the statement also for this theorem, and this is the most important theorem for the board examination. So according to the statement, hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse, so you can see that AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So AC square equal to square of the sum of other two sides. So other two sides is AB and BC. So write you will it as AB square plus BC square. So this is the required things. Now for proving this statement, this requirement, we will construct something to draw perpendicular BD to AC. Means we will draw this BD perpendicular to AC. Now how can you prove this theorem? So enjoy it and learn the proof of this theorem. So first of all, for proving this theorem, we will take here, you can see how many triangles in this diagram. Yes, there are three triangles. First triangle is triangle ABC, and second triangle is ABD, and third triangle is BDC. That is triangle 1, whole, and 2, 3. So there are three triangles, and we will use all three triangles for proving this Pythagoras theorem. This is very easy, so try to understand. We will take in right triangle ADB, because D is the right, ADB, and in right triangle ABC, B is the right. What you get in this two triangles, we will get here angle B equal to angle B. Why? Each 90 degree. After that, what you do in next, angle A, this is common in both triangle. So you will write here angle A equal to angle A. This is common. Okay dear? This is the common. Two angles are equal, then you can use the similarity, that is AA similarity. These two triangles are similar. Yes, of course. So by AA similarity, by AA similarity, we can write triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC. If these two triangles are similar, then you can get a conclusion that the ratio of these two triangles are proportional. So you can write here the ratio of sides. We will take the triangle ADB, and AD is the base. So you will write here AD, and after that base of this triangle. So this is BC. In this triangle equal to, after that the hypotenuse of this triangle, triangle ADB. This is the hypotenuse, that is AB, and the hypotenuse of this triangle ABC, that is AC. AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. So what you will get, once again I want to tell you that this AB is the base of this triangle, triangle ADB, and AB is the hypotenuse, because this is 90 degrees, so this side is hypotenuse. And then in triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse, and we will take this AB as the base. Okay, AB as the base. So base divide by base, and hypotenuse divide by hypotenuse. So what we get? We will get here, that is by cross multiplication we will get AB into AB. So we will get AB square and AD into AC. So this is the equation number first. This is, we will get an equation that is AB square by cross multiplication, AB into AB, that is AB square, and AD into AC, that is, you will write same to same. After that we will use the next two theorem, next two triangles, that is N triangle, CDB, because these are 90 degree. In right, you will write also in right triangle CDB and right triangle CBA. Okay, in these two triangles once again you will get same things, that is angle D, that is 90 degree, and angle B also 90 degree. So you will write it as angle D equal to angle B, each 90 degree. Okay, now angle D is this one angle, okay, and whole angle. So these are 90 degree. And angle C, you can see that triangle CDB and whole triangle. So angle C is common in both triangle. So you can write angle C equal to angle C, that is common. Okay. Once again you will get two angles are equal. If two angles are equal, then by AA similarity, triangle CDB similar to triangle CBA. Okay, we will write this step just here. That is, you can write it at triangle CDB is similar to triangle CBA. Okay. Now, if these two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional according to the definition. So we will write it as, once again you can see this CD is the base of triangle CDB. So we will write here CD first of all, CD. Upon base of next triangle ABC, we will take this. BC is the base of this triangle. Clear? Keep in mind that when we take these two triangles, triangle 1 and whole triangle, then we will take this base means adjacent side which make angle 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. So we will take this side, and this is the construction, that is BD is the construction. So we will now not take BD because this line you have to drive self. ये आपने खुद ही ड्रॉ किया है, इसीलिए इसको आप नहीं लेंगे. आपको क्या करना है, CD लेना है केवल. You will write CD only. Then what you will get, that is base of triangle CDB. So base is CD and other base of triangle ABC is BC. So we will write base upon base, and after that hypotenuse of CDB is BC, just in front side of 90 degree. So this is the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse of triangle ABC is AC. So we will write BC upon AC, that is hypotenuse divided by hypotenuse. We will get this is BC upon AC. So by cross multiplication, what you get, BC into BC, that is BC square, and CD into AC you will write same to same. Then you will get equation number 2. Now on adding equation 1 and 2, on adding equation 1 and 2, we get, what we get, you can see here, equation number 1 is AB square in the left side, and in the equation number 2 left side is BC square. After that right side is AD into AC, plus right side of second equation is CD into AC. So you can take AC as a common because AC is present in both terms. So you will write AC as common. Then what you get? You will get AD and CD. AD and after that plus sign and CD. So AD plus CD you can see in the diagram, AD plus CD. What you get? Yes, AC. So you will get here AC means you will write it as AC into, you will get here AC. Since AD plus CD, AD plus CD equal to AC. Okay? So AC into AC, you can write this is AC square, and this is AB square plus BC square. So you will get the required things, that is AC square. You can write this is a also, that is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is the proof of Pythagoras theorem. You can write hence proved for this theorem. So this is important. I want to tell you once again that this is most important theorem. Now converge of Pythagoras theorem. So what is the converge of Pythagoras theorem? So statement of theorem is in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. So according to the statement in this theorem, here is given the condition of Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square just equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. And what is the requirement? Prove that it is a right angle triangle. And this is the converge of Pythagoras theorem. So this is another most important theorem for the examination of BU. So enjoy the proof of this theorem. According to the converge of Pythagoras theorem, in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right triangle. Means here statement is given that a triangle ABC is given and AC square equal to AB square plus BC square is also given. Now we will prove here that in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. So our requirement to prove angle B is 90 degrees. So proof of these things, we will construct something. Means we will draw another triangle PQR. You can take this triangle DEF and other name also. So we will construct a triangle PQR in which the condition is hold, that is PQ equal to just AB and QR equal to just BC and angle Q should be 90 degree. So this is the things and this is the construction. Keep in mind that these all three things should be equal to the given triangle. So now how can you prove this theorem? Yes, so we can prove this theorem easily. The proof of theorem is, how can you prove? Yes, this is very easy proof. That is, proof is given here. According to the condition, these things, that is, according to the construction, since in triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degree. It means this is a right triangle, and if it is a right triangle, then by the Pythagoras theorem, we will get that PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. So we can write this condition. Okay, but here is given that PQ equal to AB, PQ equal to AB, so we will write AB square, this is PR square, same to same we will write, and PQ is given here AB. So you replace this PQ by AB plus QR is given here BC. Okay, you can write here since PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC. So we will get these things, that is the equation number 1. This you will get equation number 1. But here given that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, this is the equation number 2. You compare these two because right hand side is just equal, so you can write from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 you will get 1 and 2. We get, what you get? You will get, that is PR square equal to AC square, because right hand side is equal, so you will put AB square plus BC square. The value of AB square plus BC square is AC square, so you put this value here, so you will get PR square equal to AC square. On taking the square root, you will get this is as PR equal to AC. Okay, but in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, you will get here that is PQ equal to AB by construction, and QR equal to BC again by construction, and PR equal to AC. प्रूव्ड है, अभी इसे प्रूव किया है. Since all three sides are equal in two triangles, then what you get? You will get by SSS criterion, triangle PQR just congruent to triangle ABC. According to this condition, we will get these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then their all corresponding parts are equal. Therefore, angle Q equal to angle B, and angle Q equal to, this is angle Q equal to angle B by CP. So angle, the value of angle Q is 90 degree. Since the value of angle Q is 90 degree, therefore we will get angle B. Put the value here, you will get angle B equal to 90 degree. This gives the conclusion that, what is the conclusion? Therefore, we get triangle ABC is a right triangle. That is angle B equal to 90 degree. So this is proof of this important theorem. You will get this is the most important theorem for the examination of view. So keep in mind that these theorems, all 5 theorems of this chapter is very most important, and if you have any doubt in any steps of these theorems, then you can comment in the comment box. So this is the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now हमारे इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका.